This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Tim Cochran. Welcome to this designer luxury condominium situated in the northwest corner of the 29th floor, offering 180-degree views of water, stunning sunrises and sunsets. This unit provides an open floor plan kitchen, dining and living areas all together. Recent renovations top 150K. Third bedroom/office west/built-in Murphy Bed.Updated chef's kitchen, huge 4x14 island, Brazilian quartzite counters, Bosch Dishwasher Wolf induction cooktop and ovens, Samsung refrigerator, handcrafted Raku glass backsplash.Remodeled primary, an abundance of luxury in closet. Factory cabinetry, shelving around bed, art displays, granite counters, high-end features.Owner's amenities include private owner's lounge on 37th floor, Gym Pool.Town Center and Uptown Lifestyleoffers a vibrant blend of work and play and living. If you're indulging in one of 25 eateries or exploring shops and retailers, Towne Center delivers a convenient way of life. Call today to schedule your private showing of this special property. October 15, 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact Tim Cochran at 757-486-8800.